Create a birthday shirt that's truly one of a kind. I combined 4 designs from our shop to create a birthday shirt that's impossible to forget. When you purchase the ocean-themed boy birthday shirt bundle, you'll automatically receive 15% off at checkout, no code needed. It's a much better value than buying each design separately, so you can create the complete birthday shirt while saving money. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Once the t-shirt is hooped, place the mesh fabric on top and secure it using your preferred method, such as pins, tape, or temporary adhesive. If you're unsure how to hoop your shirt or place the birthday number, I recommend watching my girl birthday shirt tutorial first, where I cover those steps in detail. Then place a layer of water-soluble topping over the mesh to help prevent the fabric from shifting or getting caught in the stitches during embroidery. Stitch the birthday number placement outline onto the mesh fabric or fishnet. Carefully cut out the inside of the birthday number. Place the applique fabric on top and secure it using your preferred method, such as pins, tape, or temporary adhesive. Stitch the applique tack down stitch. Trim away the excess fabric. Stitch the wide satin stitch outline. Upload your embroidery design file to our Smart Print tool to generate a full-size 100% template. Print the template with no scaling, then place it on your t-shirt to find the perfect position. Mark the center point and use it as a guide when hooping your garment for accurate placement. Stitch the shark following the stitch order. Stitch the fish font. You can create a machine-ready file in seconds by typing your text in the lettering tool. Trim the fishnet to your liking. You can trim more in some areas and less in others, cut it at an angle, create a frayed look, or even make small holes for a more distressed effect. I first tested the edge on a leftover piece of fishnet. Once I was happy with the look, I used it as a template and trimmed the final piece to match. You don't have to use the shark design for this project. You can use any design from our Towel Thief collection to create your own unique birthday shirt. If you'd like to keep the ocean theme, we also have other sea animals to choose from. You can even swap the font for our fishtail font, wavy font, or boat font. They all work beautifully with this theme. Mix and match the designs to create a birthday shirt that's uniquely yours. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you make your own birthday shirt, I'd love to see it. Share your photos in our Facebook community and inspire other stitchers with your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy stitching!